Honorable teacher and my fellow batchmate, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Good to see so many people in my talk. How are you doing? I'm doing great. First of all, I'm ever grateful to Almighty Allah who has kindly allowed me to do something about myself. And secondly, I'm really grateful my honor teacher Sojib sir who has helped me to come here to deliver my topic before it. Today I'm really pleased to be here to introduce myself in this beautiful evening. Actually, I'm not a good speaker like you. I possess very little knowledge. I level best to share you about my detailed knowledge. Now I'm going to describe about myself. Well, my full name is Mr. Jahan Mitu. I also call by Mitu. So you can my family, friends call me Mitu. So you can call me Mitu. My name doesn't have any special meaning. It's just a name. I'm 14 years old. I was born in 20 August 2004. The name of my home district is Chapai is famous for mango. I love my home district very much because it's a place of natural beauty and science. To talk about my education background. I passed PSC from Manipur Uch Vidyalaya and College, and I passed JSA exam from Manipur Uch Vidyalaya and College. Now I am still a student of Manipur High School and College. If I talk about something about my family, my family consists of 5 members. Excluding me, I have 2 siblings. We are a very happy family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a banker. She is a wonderful lady. In future, I want to be an army officer and I will help nation. In this school life, I'm very restless, but I'm great. Every time I got passed in whole class. Sometimes for my list, my class teacher called my parents. Anyway, now I'm talk about my like and dislike. My favorite person is my mother because I like his personality. My favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan because I like his acting. And my favorite actress is Madhuri Dixit because I like her acting. And my favorite teacher are Shuman sir and Sojib sir because I like their teaching style. And my favorite food is biryani. So it's a very traditional food in our Dhaka city. And my favorite place is my home district because I go many places in visit, but still I like my home district because it's very. When I go there, it's very peaceful and I feel very pleased if I go there. So I like my home district very much. Now I'm very sensible and responsible about my study. I never forget about my study, and I'm very sensible about my study. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Be patient hearing me. Thank you our honorable teacher Sojib sir, author of English.